Opening a bank account in Argentina is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can open a bank account in Argentina. So in order to open a bank account in Argentina, you need to have these three things. So first is proof of residence, the second is passport, and the third is CUIL. It is written in, Argentinian, and I don't know what it is written. But if you want to open an account, you need this thing as well. So how can you open an account? So in order to do that, you simply have to go to Google. I'm just going to search for Argentina bank list. And as you guys can see, these are all the bank accounts that are available in Argentina. So suppose I want to open a bank account for this bank. So the first thing you can do is you can visit the bank physically, and you have these things, have these three things, and let them know that you want to open an account. Now, the second thing that you can try is, suppose I am just going to search for Bank of Galicia open account online. Afterwards, I'll go to this website, which is Bank of Galicia open bank account. Now, there, as you guys can see, it wants you to put information. Just start putting your information, and there you go. Your bank account procedure will begin, and at the very end, you will have your Bank of Galicia bank account. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.